What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl. Y'all already know what time it is. It's about to be a wig slay. Like, seriously, today is going to be a wig slay. And let me just tell y'all this real quick. I did not have to fight with this basic ass makeup that I did today. When I tell you this took me like 45 minutes, maybe an hour. I know it's still basic, and why take an hour, girl? I was busy watching this Netflix series as I was doing my makeup. And when I tell you I have not watched Netflix in a minute, girl, I did not know they had on all these good series on there. Y'all remember when they used to send out those DVDs and you just send them back? Girl, listen, I've been down with Netflix since the very first day. But other than that, you guys, this is going to be, of course, a wig slay from a company that I've never worked with before. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right because y'all know I could chop up a name. So I think it's pronounced Lannaax or Lannaax. Lannaax. I think Lannaax sounds a little bit more French, sophisticated, pricey, exquisite. You know what I'm saying? And besides all that, my wig came in this bag right here. So I'm just saying, it's like a designer faux wig bag. It's going to be called Lannaax for today. So the wig didn't come with anything but this cute little faux bag and the wig inside. Now, let me just tell y'all this. Let me just take a sip of water before I tell you this because my mouth is kind of dry. Now, you know how they be having the pre-everything, like the pre-everything wigs where it's bleached, cut, plucked, and all that cool stuff for you. Even styled sometimes, right? And you know how you just get used to stuff. And then when you get stuff, you just expect it to be that way always. Well, this wig was not like that. It did not come pre-everything. It didn't come pre-nothing. It just came to me and April had to do the work. So I did bleach the knots in this. I did not pre-pluck it. Of course, I didn't have to style it. I mean, I did put a part in it, the part that I wanted, so I did style it. And that's about it. It does come with one of the removable elastic bands in the nape. And it also does have the silicone around the neckline, so that way your wig will stay in place. They were so kind to give a nice amount of combs. I love when you give combs. Girl, I need the combs. They gave you combs in the front and combs in the back, okay? Not to mention, girl, they really want their wig to stay on your head. They gave y'all a drawstring. Girl, a drawstring. Look, everybody coming through with the drawstrings. I'm telling you, the drawstrings is the drawstring. The drawstrings are stringing, okay? They're drawing and they're stringing. When I tell you I love the drawstrings, I love the drawstrings. So this wig is definitely a secure wig. When I tell you security, there's no way you get in anybody's fight, anybody snatching your wig off. The wind is not blowing it. Girl, what? You cannot just take it off. It's not slipping back. It has two combs in the front, a comb in the nape, an elastic removable adjustable band, some silicone at the nape, and a drawstring. Girl, what else do you need? I mean, what else do you really need? Okay. So she bleached really easy. She is a 20-inch wig and she's very pretty and curly. I do like the curls of this. They're very small. Kind of reminded me of like one of those nice Jerry curls back in the 80s. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you know, born in the 70s like myself. But yeah, it's given Jerry, okay, and curl. I did bleach it. I used some 30 developer. You know what I'm saying? I let it sit on for like 45 minutes. And then I did use my purple shampoo. So she came out really, really good. Okay, but damn, looking like a hottie. What a body. Okay, so we're just gonna get into this. I don't really need to show you guys how your wig came because like I said, I was sent this wig in a cute little faux Gucci bag and the wig. Now here's the important thing to me. I do love the amenities. Like I love a good packaging. I do consider this a good packaging. Okay, so I love a good packaging. I love when you send me combs, elastic bands, wig caps, all that stuff. I love it. Tape, girl, bring it to me, okay? Bring it in. But if you send me all that cool stuff and the wig is trash, then girl, listen. So I'm glad that I just got the wig because maybe the hair quality is superb. They ain't waste no time on no amenities. They just sent the wig with the good hair. She bleached and we here to stay. So let's just get into this. Okay.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running around in my head, all or nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type, give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you.
All right, y'all, look at the wig. She came out cute. It did take some work, though, for real, for real. Like, now it's pre-everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, the next time I put it on, it's already pre-everything. Because I had to pluck, I had to cut, I had to glue or hairspray. Girl, I had to do everything in this unit. I will say it does fit real good, okay? The drawstring is definitely helping. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I never was a fan of these removable, adjustable elastic bands, only because once I put them on, they always seem to be floppy inside the cap, and they're really not doing much. But the drawstring is definitely stringing. And the hairspray, girl, listen, let me tell you something. I had to definitely hook her up today, but she came cute. She came out cute. She is 20 inches, you know what I'm saying? So she's 20 inches. I will say this, the density is definitely there. So this is one of those full wigs. You're gonna definitely be stepping out in a full wig. If you like her bigger than I already have her, then just keep combing and using your fingers, and she will definitely reach those Shaka Khan vibes. So if you're looking for that fullness, definitely LANAAX wig will do you justice. This is a 13x6, but I honestly feel like it's longer than that because there was so much more parting space left after I did my C curve. She did dry super fast, only because I have a fan right here. She did shed, like seriously, she did shed. Not a whole lot, but enough. Or she just made the shed. Okay, she just shed. Not a lot, but I just wanted to put that out there that she did shed. And I did seem like I needed to cut some of the curls because they seem kind of uneven. I'm going to show you what the back looks like. Please keep in mind I was not able to see how the back looked while I was distributing the water and the foam. So keep that in mind. Don't come for me because I will come for you. So this is the back. Now, like I said, there's a lot of density and I can feel it all in the wig back here. But also I can tell that the elastic band is not really supporting my head. I feel it floppy in the back, but the drawstring makes a world of difference. And it's not just this wig with the elastic bands that are removable. It just seems like every wig that I put on like that, the elastic band always seems to kind of like get loose or buckle in the wig. So I just don't usually wear the elastic bands. Drawstring, elastic bag, silicone, girl, glue, tape, whatever, hairspray, girl, you good to go. Don't let nobody come by and snatch your wig off, okay? Drive-by wig snatching is happening, okay? But I will definitely leave everything down below for you guys for this unit if you're interested. Girl, listen, leave a comment so we can get it going in the comment section so that way we can pop up in the algorithm, girl. I need to be in the algorithm, okay? It's about to be Christmas. Hello. But I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, besties, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.